Everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video today. This is part 2 of my model unboxings of aircraft models that I got on holiday. And on today's unboxing, I have this Olympic Airways Boeing 737-200. So obviously going to Greece, I had to get a Greek model. So that's why I picked up this, which is one of my favourite aircrafts because I really like the early Boeing 737s. And Olympic Airways is another one of my favourite airlines. So, let's get into this box, shall we? It's a very plain box, but I'm pretty sure this is a very old model. So, here we have the main fuselage of the aircraft. Very, very nice. It's quite weighted, which is pretty cool. Put that there. Then we have the aircraft stand. Very nice. Then we have the two engines with the target reverse thrusters, which is very cool. Then we have the wings and the rear stabilizers, and that is it for the box. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this aircraft and start a time lapse. So let's get into it. Welcome back after the time lapse, and here is the fully assembled model, and this is a very beautiful aircraft. I just love the 737-200 and 100. It's just something about the engines and the eyebrow windows, they just look very cool together. So, starting off at the front of this aircraft, we have the nameplate for this aircraft, which is the Isle of Thasos. We then have the eyebrow windows above the cockpit doors, above the cockpit windows. Then we have the first door. Then we have the Greek flag with the Olympic logo. Then we have the older style engines with the target reverse thrusters on the back. No winglets, obviously. Then we have the exit door over the wings, the rear door, and the registration, which is Sierra X-Ray. Oh, I don't know why I've forgotten what B is. So Sierra X-Ray something Charlie Lima. Sorry, my mind's just gone blank with B. Anyways, we have the Olympic rings on the tail, which looks very good. And it says Boeing 737-200. So what a stunning model this is. This is something else in there, something else in Greek, which is cool. Amazing. I don't know why I can't remember what B is in the phonetic alphabet, but there we are. Someone let me know in the comment because I've forgotten. LOL. But anyways, that concludes this review for this Olympic Airways Boeing 737-200. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.